Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Dr. M.H. Channaya, and in today's video we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a straight line whose the true length and the front view are given. And let's see what is the question in store for today's video. The question reads like this: a line AB 90 mm long. Friends, when I say line AB 90 millimeter, it measures or it indicates the true length of the line. And if the line is represented by AB, we call this as A1, A dash, B1 dash as the true length. It is also called as AB1 true length in the top view, and that is given to be equal to 90 millimeters. The true length of the line is known. The NB is 20 above HP, and front view measures 60 Front view is A dash B dash, that is equal to 60 And also we are given with the distance of the end A. Its end A. We have to say end A is 40 above HP. We will mark like this: A is from the XY line, it is 40 above, and in front of VP it is 20 And that's all the data they have given. And the end B is also given, is 20 above HP. B is 20 above HP. This is the data that is given to us, friends. So using this information, we should be able to get what is called theta, the angle made by the line with HP and VP, and what is the distance of the end B from VP. Friends, for all these questions on lines, it will always be given the position of one of the endpoints. Here if you see A, its distances are given as 40 above HP and 20 in front of VP. So we'll draw the XY line and mark the location of that end A, which is front view is A dash, and it is at a distance of 40 millimeter above HP and is 20 in front of VP. On the same line, I extend it downwards and call this point as A, the top view of the end, A of the line. So front view and top view are given, and this distance is given to be 20 So we have got the front and top views of one of the end points. That is to say, I have used this data. Like this, you have to analyze and the data one by one and then put it in the system. So friends, next, the NB is 20 above HP. They are not given me where exactly it is. So friends, I will write a line here, a parallel line parallel to XY at a distance of 20, and very obviously it indicates the locus of NB, locus of the NB above the XY line. So friends, this also I have exhausted. We are left with only these two data. Friends, they have given us the front view A dash B dash is equal to 60. We have A dash. Take 60 millimeter as radius and draw an arc to cut this locus at this point B dash. I will call it somewhere here. This is point B dash. If you join A dash and B dash, friends, you will get the front view of the line whose length is given to be 60 millimeter. And very obviously, if you have B dash here, B1 dash, the end of the line, true length line should be somewhere on this. The true length is given to be 90. So we have got A dash. I can write A dash B1 dash, taking center A dash with length equal to 90 millimeter. I can draw one more arc to cut this locus at a point called B1 dash. Friends, if you join A dash B1 dash by a straight line, you will get the true length. That is already given as 90. So 90 you can just mark. Friends, when you have the true length of the line, you can measure what is theta, the angle made by the line with the HP. That can be found out. That is asked in the question. What is the angle made by the line with HP and VP? With HP it is theta, with VP it is phi. Friends, we have exhausted all this data. That is, we left with AB1 which is equal to 90. Friends, what we can do? We have got the true length here. I will draw a vertical line through this true length line till it cuts the locus of this A at this point. Now, taking A as center, this distance A to 1 as radius, I am going to draw an arc. Friends, you know very well, the points A dash and A lie on a vertical line. Similarly, B dash and B should lie on a vertical line. We already have this B dash. From there, I can write a vertical line downwards so as to cut the arc drawn through this point at what you call the point B, because B dash and B should lie on the same vertical line which is perpendicular to HP. You have A, you have B, you join these 2 points to obtain what is called the top view of the line. AB represents the top view, A dash, B dash represents the front view. Friends, after this, we are left with marking the true length in the top view. True length is given to be A dash B1 dash, which is also equal to AB1. This is A, B1 should lie somewhere along this. So taking A as center, 90 millimeter length as radius, we are going to draw an arc to cut the locus of B here and obtain AB1. That point is B1. This is the true length which is equal to 90. Already that's given. And immediately you can find out what is phi. That is the angle made by the line with the vertical plane. That phi can be found out. Friends, they are also asking us to find out what is the distance of the end B from VP. We have the locus of B here, friends. You can just keep a scale and see what this measurement is. So this is distance of the end B from VP. From the HP it is given as 20. From VP this can be found out from measurement. What else can be asked in this question is, they might ask you to find out what is the distance between the end projectors. Friends, what is the meaning of end projector? We should know. The line joining the front view and top view of an end of a point is called an end projector. So here I got A dash and A, the front view and top view, the line connecting these two, which is an imaginary line, that is called as one of the end projector. Similarly, we have got B dash B, another end projector, and if the distance between these two can be measured by projecting this line downwards, and you can measure the distance between A dash A and B dash B, which is called DEP, distance between the end projector. That is how we can mark or find out the value. Friends, I think and I'm very sure that you have followed this very clearly. And if you have followed this and if you like this video, please share the information about this video online with all your friends and have a wonderful evening. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.